Hello, and here are our second set of trick words for foundations. New, K-N-E-W, new. In Spanish, it would be sabía. New. No, K-N-O-W, no. In Spanish, it's saber. In English, it's no. I understand. You raise your hand when you understand, when you know something, right? You know the answer. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. In Spanish, it's siempre. In English, it's always. It happens all of the time, every second of every day. Often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. In Spanish, it's a menudo. In English, it's often. It happens usually, most of the time. Often. Once. Once is like one time. O-N-C-E. Una vez. It happens one time. Once. Only. We see this on the staircase, right? O-N-L-Y. Only. That means that these stairs, you only can go up. You are not able to go down. You are able to go up. Only. Solamente. Only. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. La casa. House. Move. M-O-V-E. Moverse. Move. Move can be like baila, camina, juga, all these different things. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Right can be like correct, correcto, or to the right, a direction, derecho. Right. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. In Spanish, it would be juntos. In English, it's together. And a way that I like to think of breaking this up, it's a bunch of different words. It's to get her. Together.